Hello student, this is Rajiv and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some important question of the chapter mensuration. I hope the basic concept and the formula that based on mensuration is clear to everyone. From today and in some video, we shall only discuss some question. So let us see question which have very important role in the point of view of your examination. The question that I am solving here have a very importance in order to ask in your question in your examination. So let us start through a question, and the question is the dimension of a rectangular park is 25 meter into 16 meter. Find the cost of fencing the boundary at the rate of 10.5 rupees per meter. So this is the question. The question is the dimensions of a rectangular park is 25 meter and 16 meter. So we have to find out the cost of fencing the boundary of park by 10.5 rupees per meter. Here the most important thing is to find out the perimeter. How we predict that we have to find perimeter or area? If the rate is given in the form of meter, then we have to find out perimeter. If the rate is given in the form of square meter, then we have to find the area. So I hope such type of problem is clear. Now let us solve the question. Since the dimension is given in the form of 25 into 16, 25 is greater than 16, which means that the length of the park is 25 meter and width is 16 meter. So here we write solution. Length of park is 25 meter and width of park is 60 meter. Now perimeter is equal to 2 times of length plus width. This is the formula. The perimeter is 2 times of length and width. So put here the value of L and B to 25 into 25 plus 16, and this is equal to 2 into 41, which is equal to 82 meter. Therefore the perimeter, that is the total length of the boundary of the park, is 82 meter. 82 meter. Now we have to find the total cost of fencing the boundary of the park. We write here total cost. Total cost will be 10.5 into 82. Okay student, so in order to simplify, write 105 upon 10 into 82. Now write 100 plus 5 into 82 upon 10. In this way we can simplify the product. That is why I write 105 as 100 plus 5. Now multiply, we get 8200 plus 5 to the 10 and 5 at the 40. So here we get 420 upon 10. So I hope this solution is clear. Now solve, we get the result. So when we solve, we get the following result. So when we solve it, we have 86420 upon 10. This is the product, total product. Okay. And after solving, we get 8642.0. This is the total cost of fencing the wall. This is the total cost of fencing the wall. So I hope the solution is clear. Now let us revise the solution once again. The question was, the dimension of rectangle is 25 into 16 meter. This is the dimension. And the rate is given in the form of per meter. Meter is the unit of length, and the total length of the boundary is called its perimeter. Therefore, in this question we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So in order to find out the perimeter of the rectangle, we use the formula 2 times of L plus B. Now substituting the value of L and B respectively, we get the perimeter as 82. This is the total length of the boundary. Since the rate through which we fencing the wall is 10 rupees 5 paise, therefore we multiply the perimeter by the rate. Okay, so when multiply, we get the result as 86,420 by 10, and after elimination of 10, one decimal will be put from the right side of one digit and we get our result. So in this way we can easily find out the solution of this question. Now let's see the second question. Now let's see the next question. I will show you the next question on the basis of area. Let's see the next question. A rectangular field is 20 meter long and 18 meter wide. It has to be irrigated. It has to be irrigated. If the rate of irrigation, if the rate of irrigation if the rate of irrigation is 20 rupees per meter square per square meter, then find the total cost of the irrigation. Then find the total cost of irrigation. Then find the total cost of irrigation. So this is your question. Now let's see what we have to find in this question. Since the rate is given with the unit of square meter, therefore in this question we have to find out the area. Okay, and after getting the area, when we multiply the area with rate, we get the total cost of irrigation. Okay, so now let us solve the question. A rectangular field is 20 meter long and 18 meter wide, so that length of field equal to 20 meter and breadth of field equal to 80 meter. Therefore, area is given by, how we find the area? We use the formula area equal to the product of length and breadth of the rectangle. So we multiply length into breadth. So L into B is the formula through which we find out the area. Therefore, this will be 20 multiplied by 18. 20 multiplied by 18 will give the area. Therefore, area will equal to 18 to the 36, 360 meter square. 360 meter square is the area of the rectangle. Now we have to find out the total cost of irrigation. Since the rate of irrigation is given as 20 rupees per square meter, therefore we multiply 360 by 20 in order to get the total cost of irrigation. So that we multiply 360 by 20. Now solve it. 0, 0, 2, 7. This is the product of 360 by 20, and we get 7,200. 7,200. Therefore, we write total cost of the irrigation. We write total cost of irrigation, and it will be given as 360 multiplied by 20, which is equal to 7200. Therefore, 7,200 will be the cost of irrigation of the rectangular field. Now let us revise the solution once again, and then we shall go further with the new question. The question is given this: a rectangular field is 20 meter long and 18 meter वाइड। मतलब कि एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है जो कि 20 मीटर 20 मीटर लंबा है और 18 मीटर चौड़ा है। इस खेत की सिंचाई इस खेत की सिंचाई करने के लिए जो रेट है वो 20 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर मीटर, यानी कि 1 मीटर लॉन्ग और 1 मीटर वाइड जो फील्ड तैयार होगा उसमें पानी सींचने की जो कीमत है वो है 20 रुपीज। तो हमको निकालना कि जो टोटल फील्ड होगा उस फील्ड में कितना पानी भरेंगे कि उसका कॉस्ट हमको मिले। तो यहाँ पर देखिए, द लेंथ ऑफ द फील्ड इज 20 मीटर एंड द ब्रेड्थ इज 18 मीटर। एरिया इज गिवन बाय द फॉर्मूला दिस L into P. The product of length and breadth is called the area. Now put the value. The value of L is 20 meter and the value of P is 18. Now multiply, we get 360 meter square. 360 meter square is the area. Since the rate is given as 20 rupees, the rate is 20 rupees, so multiply total cost 360 by 20, we get 7,200 as the total cost of the irrigation. So I hope the solution is clear. If you have any doubt or any question, you can ask by dropping a comment in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in my next video. So if you like this video, then press the thumb side of this video, and if you new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. So we shall meet in the next video with some new and more interesting question. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.